what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the MSI GeForce GTX 1660 Gaming X Edition. Now for a short message. This video was made possible thanks to Hornington Computers, distributors in DIY PC components, gaming laptops, as well as gaming accessories. Give them a like on their Facebook page and remember to share this video. Thanks for listening. Before we start, I have to say something about NVIDIA. For the past 6 months, they've released 6 different types of graphics cards, all the way from the RTX 20 series and now to the GTX 16 series. So when they released the GeForce GTX 1660, I was quite surprised because it was only a couple of weeks ago that they released the GTX 1660 Ti. Something that I'm not too happy about because that's literally one a month. But having said that, the NVIDIA's GeForce is still one of the top performing graphics cards if you're a gamer. Let's get back to the review. The MSI GeForce GTX 1660 Gaming X Edition uses an overclocked GPU running at 1860 MHz. This latest version, the GeForce GTX 1660, however, only features 1408 CUDA cores and runs on GDDR5 RAM. Yes, you heard me right. 6 GB of GDDR5 RAM. What's going on there? This could be a direct replacement to the older GeForce GTX 1060. Now it'll be interesting to see how this performs against other GeForce GTX graphics cards that we've tested in the past. So before that, let's put this into our test rig, do a quick unboxing, and we'll see you later. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, the MSI Gaming X series is their premium gaming graphics card from MSI. Alright, we have a nice envelope here. Inside the envelope we have a user guide. There's a driver disc, and there's a computer workshop information. There's some beer mats, and that is it. Okay, graphics card wise, there's no other cables or adapters, just the graphics card itself. Let's take a look. Alright, oh, quite compact, something I didn't expect, and twin fans, and it has the Zero FROZR fans. The other versions, such as the Ventus and the AMOR edition, has the Torx fans. This is the FROZR fans from MSI. Alright, let's have a look at the top here. You have a nice MSI logo right here that lights up with RGB, I believe. Then your 8-pin PCIe power right there. And connectivity wise, we have 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI. It's quite a compact graphics card for the Gaming X series, and this one has an overclocked GPU of 1860 MHz, and with that you can see the extra cooling that it requires. Nice big heat sink with large heat pipes at the bottom here. The FROZR fans, the Zero FROZR fans, should do a pretty good job with cooling as twin fans. Let me peel this off. Yep. Let me get the fans, as you can see right there. Very nice. It has a metal backplate there, something that is not found on the AMOR or the Ventus editions. So this one has this metal backplate, which does give it extra stability as well as some cooling as well. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So this is the quick unboxing of the MSI GeForce GTX 1660 Gaming X Edition. Let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs. I'll see you later. So in conclusion, the GeForce GTX 1660 can't quite beat the GTX 1070. This is what I expected, especially when you consider the lower number of CUDA cores, a total of 1408, and the lower spec GDDR5 RAM. You can consider this card as a direct replacement to the older GeForce GTX 1060, and it's really targeted at the budget gamer. If you're on a tight budget and you don't really care about ray tracing, then this could be the card to go for. In 3D Mark Time Spy, it produced an OK score of 5,839, with a Firestrike score of 12,423. And for Final Fantasy 15, we got a score of 5,961. It's nothing to shout about, but it's still pretty decent. Low temperatures reached a high of only 61 degrees Celsius. This is all thanks to the large heatsink, along with the MSI's TWIN FROZR 7 cooling solution. The graphics card is already overclocked to 1860 MHz. The default speed is 1785. It should be plenty for most users, but if that's not enough, you can always use MSI's Afterburner software to overclock the card even further. But be warned, any overclocking is done at your own risk. So in the end, if it wasn't for the MSI's TWIN FROZR 7 cooling solution and the Mystic Light Sync found on this particular card, then I would actually pay a little bit more and get the GeForce GTX Ti instead. The GeForce GTX 1660 is really designed for the gamer whose main buying decision is based on their very tight budget. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. This is the MSI GeForce GTX 1660 with an overclocked GPU of 1860 MHz and 6 GB of GDDR5 RAM, suitable for all gamers, offering good performance at a price that's really attractive. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, make sure you visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. One more thing, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.